See what? What y'all doing, man?
This is a little way out of your league, but
What?
I just want you to go ahead and maybe take a picture and record it.
What the hell is it? Oh, ooh.
It's called a Supercharger.
Oh, come on, man. What in the world? Good Lord. What?
It's a Supercharger.
Wait a minute. Let me put my glasses on.
Oh, damn. You got it. Oh, yeah, they're like dead on Walmart right there.
Dude, what is this? What is this?
It's a spindle on the inside of the Supercharger.
Oh, it came apart?
The Supercharger literally
Holy
is like
crap.
this. So all it is just veins that are going in it.
Oh, that's a. Oh, this is a.
Here you go.
Come on, man. Dude.
So these veins and these shafts, they turn, so they go like this. That's how it creates. It's almost like, you know, a turbine.
Yeah.
This here goes actually like this. So it's veins in it.
It's a Hellcat? What is this?
Just like a-
Damn. Hey, what? It was this induced? Like,
Hey, do you need that? Is there a cord?
look at this. Look at that. Look at that.
Oh, JT, why are you wearing glasses? Oh.
So I can see this.
That's why I called them.
No, I wanted to see this. What in the world?
These are the veins. Oh, look. They sit on shafts and they go like this. So that's what it does. It's almost like a turbine, but this is supercharger sent.
It was.
And it didn't send any metal into the motor, right?
I'm finna say you better cover that up or something to get out in
If you
there.
look at my
What did it do? Blow out the bottom of the supercharger? Blow out the bottom of the supercharger.
no, the thing is, I think it's overspun because he's got a reduced size freaking pulley in the front.
Yeah, he did pulleys.
You got fucking pulley right there. See how it's changed the crank? There you go. That's something for Jimmy. You can send to Jimmy. So here you go, Jimmy. You build this one, buddy.
Holy crap.
That's what happens.
Should get a pretty green belt, man. Yes, that's right. Should get a pretty green belt.
Oh. Yeah, that's
Holy crap. Wow. Alrighty, guys. I'm just leaving the used car department. Hey, somebody traded in a Ford. I'm going back over here to this Jeep with this Hellcat in it, guys. Now that everybody has cleared away and gone, I want to get over here by myself and see if we can gauge what happened, guys. This is crazy. I don't want to put the customer's vehicle on point, but just know it's a Hellcat. All right, now you see the intake is gone, right? Yeah, this would have been done today, but after the intake came apart, okay, this is damaged, so we're waiting on hoses right now. But I want y'all to, y'all saw some of the earlier pictures, okay? And like I said, he was itching to knock this out and get it done, but golly, man, all that chunk was sitting on top of here, the chunk of that intake. Let's take a closer look at oh my goodness. Whew. All right, anybody want to take a stab at this now that the dust has settled, everybody's gone? Do anybody want to take a stab at this? Racing gurus out there, take a stab at this. Anybody want to guess? Ooh, this is a big chunk of what you call it got on me last time I went to the scrap yard and scrapped the intake. This is aluminum, guys. Yes. Now I think this, I don't know if this covered or not. I don't know, but if they're gonna throw it away, it came in this big old box. Is there really a need for a cold air intake on an engine as already as powerful as this? Some will argue, no, you're just wasting money, but to each his own. Yes, this is a supercharger. But back to the main point at hand. What in the world can make this come apart like this? I don't think I ever seen one. Can this be induced, guys? Can you punch a car a certain way and cause this? They're not turning around. He don't have it turned around, but I don't really want to mess with everything. Y'all know I'm nosy on that other one, the Hellcat intake. What in the world? This is the new one. Okay. Yes. Man, if this was my car, I would go in with that nice pretty green belt. They got the new it's just all about cosmetic, guys, looks and everything. You ain't got to transfer nothing. Fuel rail is already on here. Map sensor. Yes, guys. Coolant sensor, is that on here? Uh-oh. You may have to transfer the coolant. Oh, it's in the rear. Yeah. But the question remains, what in the world? Oh, look, it's some more. Look at that. See, if it's trash, guys, we're gonna take this off and take a look, a deeper look. I mean, that's all you need to see as far as what you need to repair or replace. We can't repair this. I don't know. You punch it the wrong way. I don't know. I'm just taking. I don't know. I'm gonna have to go call up my buddy at All Park Garage. They're high performance. Okay, but I don't know if they ever seen one like this. Only way you would come up with a solution as to what caused this is if you have seen this and you understand fully, you know, what's happening when certain things happen. Just say you just punch the gas pedal, you know, what happens? And could that, see, I don't know. I'm not high performance guru, so to speak, but as soon as these lines get here, guys, he gonna slap this on. Replace the intake is easy. It's all I do is to replace it. Just we still shocked at what happened or how it happened. So you guys, y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna keep y'all up to date, man. It look like this crowd is headed back this way, and I don't want to be over here when they get here. So we're gonna get out of here, guys. That's all I have. Thanks for watching.